Boss, may new announcement sa MemeFi. Pwede po bang pa-explain? The listing is being pushed back to October 30th. So guys, pag-usapan natin itong MemeFi. So guys, dahil mahaba itong announcement ni MemeFi, so hinati ko na siya sa 4 na parts. So number 1 guys, ang good news dyan, 90% pa din ng allocation is allotted for the community. So meaning to say, wala silang binago dyan. And the good news, wala siyang vesting or milking na tinatawag. When you say milking guys, it's a form of manipulative practices, pump and dump schemes, etc. etc. So wala daw magiging ganong happenings. Number 2 guys, nakafocus daw sila sa best launch movement. Meaning to say, wala na sila magiging plan B. Parang ang pinopoint out nila dito, nakita na nila yung mga past projects na nag-fail. Hindi na sila guys nabanggit, pero alam natin kung sino yung tinutukoy nito. So medyo maangas sa part si MemeFi. Tingnan natin kung the best experience ba ng launching ay ipapakita niya sa ating mga community niya. Guys, number 3, malilist siya sa 6 major exchangers. So ito yung mahaabangan natin sa mga susunod na araw. Then yung last guys, the TGE is moved on October 30th. So sabi niya, para magkaroon sila ng magandang preparation for the upcoming TGE, snapshots, and another announcements. So based dito guys, kailangan nilang ma-maximize yung whole month of October para maisagawa nila na maayos itong listing na to. When it comes to several campaigns guys, expect natin within this coming week, magkakaroon sila ng mga announcement. Then right after nyan, ilalabas nila yung tinatawag na airdrop checker. Following, after 10 days naman, ilalabas na nila yung snapshot. Based upon announcement, 10 days prior, sabi nila, yung bonus criteria ay ilalabas din nila. So meaning to say, dire-diretso na yan. Ang malupit, may Binance campaign na. So next video tayo.